call, you would say, baby, how's your day? Today ain't the same.
Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are in the crib with another lady?
If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I won't be the one to sit around and be pleased.
So keep yourself to me. I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday?
I know that you say that I'm assuming things.
Something's going down, that's the way it seems.
Shouldn't be no reason why you acting strange.
Nobody's holding you back from me.
I know how you usually do, saying everything to me times two.
Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody's there, then tell me who.
Say my name, and no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. If you ain't running games, say my name. But you acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my